The DIW Digital Torque Wrench features a unique drive-centered torque sensor. Apply load anywhere on the tester, unlike all other wrenches which require torquing at a specific load point. The wrench head rotates up to 300 degrees, allowing for an adjustable viewing angle. This ultra-accurate wrench features an accuracy rating of ±0.5% of full scale. 4 operating modes include real-time, peak, peak down, and continuous mode. Selectable units include inch pounds, kilogram force centimeters, Newton centimeters, and Newton meters.